Welcome to Native Learners. Today is day 16. In this video, we will learn 10 common English phrases. These phrases are used in daily life. They are short and simple. You can use them in speaking and writing. Let's begin. Phrase 1, what's up? This means how are you, or what are you doing? Example, hey, what's up? Phrase 2, I'm just looking. This is used when you are in a shop. It means you are not ready to buy yet. Example, do you need help? No thanks, I'm just looking. Phrase 3, I'll get back to you. This means I will answer later. Example, can you send the report? I'll get back to you on that. Phrase 4, it's up to you. This means you can decide. Example, where should we go? It's up to you. Phrase 5, I'm on it. This means I will do it now. Example, can you send the email? Yes, I'm on it. Phrase 6, that's a good point. This means you said something smart. Example, we should leave early. That's a good point. Phrase 7, I'm not sure. This means I don't know exactly. Example, is he coming today? I'm not sure. Phrase 8, take your time. This means don't hurry. Example, I'll finish the work soon. It's okay, take your time. Phrase 9, hang on. This means wait for a short time. Example, can I speak to John? Hang on, I'll call him. Phrase 10, sounds good. This means I agree. Example, let's meet at 5. Sounds good. These phrases are useful every day. Try to say them out loud. Try to use them in real life. Practice makes perfect. What did you learn today in this video? Hope you like this.